This is HGR24, the last great frontier of surplus. Here in the aisles of machinery lives a great beast that very few have seen and even less have dared to buy. She's fast and she's hydraulic. And if I don't hurry and get to her before the resellers do, she'll end up in a garage in Dayton, Ohio. All right, here we are. Aisle 11. Now, in order for us to get across to the Hyd-Mech, we're going to have to cross a migration route where we must be careful to watch out for two things. One, giant forklifts with natives riding on their back. We must not get in their way. Two, I did not get a visitor's pass from the front. If Big Jim sees us, we are in big trouble. But I digress. We will focus now on getting across this migrational route safely. We just need to be careful. I hear them off in the distance. I don't think there's any here right now, but I want to be sure. I think I see one in the distance. I think I see one there. Wait a minute. I think I see it. The Hyd-Mech is a horizontal predator, and it can slice through cold steel like a deli slicer on a power trip. I must approach with caution. It boasts hydraulic down speed and the stamina of a caffeinated crane operator. But I must be careful. She's shy, very shy. And if I startle her, she'll be gone. Usually on a flatbed to a plant in Indiana or something, but anyways. Approach carefully. Oh, hey there. Here she is, just as the email blast foretold. Look at the blades. Look at her inside. Marvelous, just marvelous. This is like if a panther and a bandsaw had a baby. It would be this. Oh, you are beautiful, aren't you? Look, I never thought I'd feel this way about a machine, but this bandsaw, look at it. It's not just cutting metal. The experience is cutting through me. And honestly, I'm sawed in half by the whole thing. Her beauty, her specs. This is why I come to HGR24 to hunt. The thrill of when man meets machine. The feeling you get when you put your eye on the prize and you tag it as you. If you're watching this, don't wait for the price to drop. Don't let Johnny Lowball beat you to the punch. And please, whatever you do, do not ever feed the resellers after dark. Thank you. Stop out and visit HGR24 and see the magic it holds inside.